Hi all, this video I am going to show you how to merge two tables together, or you can call it join two tables together. So I have a table here which I have uploaded 3 CSV files on my previous video. So now I am going to retrieve the long name of the states. So what I have created is a mapping table for the states. So instead of using the usual vlookup, I am going to use Power Query to join this table, the state and name, to my CSV table. So what I do is go back to launch editor, then click on new source. For this instance is the file name, so it's the states. I click on OK. So I click on sheet 1, press OK. So now I click close and load. So now you have we have the original CSV table and the state. Yeah, I need to edit a bit so that the state and name will show as the column name. So what I do is I go back to Power Query, I go launch editor, I go to sheet 1, then I have to click on use first rows as headers. Now the state and name, you can see state and name as the headers. Click on close and load. What I do is I go to the original table, then I click on query, table tools query, click on merge, then I choose the state column, then I go to sheet 1 which have my state name, then I click on state, so that state and state can join together. I leave it as a left outer so that all the information in the first table will be intact. I click on OK. Alright. So I'm back in Power Query. So what you do is click on this 2 arrow, and then because you already have the state abbreviation, so I just untick the state and leave the name. I will then untick this so that I will have the name as the column name, and I click on OK, and see, there you go, you have your long name of the states now. And then now I'm going to close and load again. So now there's a new table, right, with the name of the states. You can actually easily probably change the name.1 in the Power Query. So what you do is go back to Power Query, launch editor, and in the name here you can probably rename to state name. Hope this video helps. If you like the video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. It will really help me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.